Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. I really want to thank you guys for all your support. Thank you, I really appreciate you. Today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to cut flounce. I'm using this small material, small fabric for the sake of this tutorial. But make sure you get enough fabric for your home to make it accurate. Firstly, here is it. I'm going to get the center. And always mark on the right side of your fabric. So I fold it into two, and I'll now fold it again into two, making 4. So to get the center, because I'm using this step to make you understand it very well, most especially for the beginners, I'll notch this place, notching this place again. So I'll now mark the center with the chalk to give me dots at the center, so that for me to connect it with the notches. So I'll now connect the notches to the center of my fabric. I hope you can see me very well. Pardon me for the small fabric. I'm just using it for the sake of this tutorial, so that for you to understand it well. So connect the notches to the center. So from this center now, I'm going to use 4 inches wide for my flounce. So from the center now, I'll first of all get the circle 4 inches wide. You can make yours 5, 6, 8, depends on what you want, but I'm using 4 for the sake of this tutorial. So 4 inches wide, 4 inches wide from the center. From the center, first of all get the circle. So if you first of all get the circle, it will be easier for you to cut your flounce. 4 inches all round, 4 inches all round. Then after that we'll now choose here now. From here now, I'll start my circle, because I'll start another circle 4 inches wide, 4 inches. So I'll now start it like this, because I want it to have sharp edge. From this point now, connect my 4 inches. So you'll now be measuring that 4 inches, 4 inches, till you get the length you want. 4 inches, 4 inches from this circle, from the edge of this circle that is at the center here. Start measuring your 4 inches till you get the length you want. 4 inches, 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 4 inches. From here now, you measure 4 inches for the continuation of your circle. 4 inches, So connect it all the 4 inches to the mark all round. 4 inches here now, because my fabric cannot do more than this. I have to connect it like this straight. So I will now cut it, but before cutting, assuming you want to use another color for the turning, you may want to use this one for the front and one of these colors for the back. After drawing it like this, you now take the second fabric underneath. You will put this one on top it. Use pin to hold it before cutting so that the cutting will be accurate. So let me show you how to cut it. Start your cutting from here. From here you finish. So cut it like this. So assuming I'm cutting the two together like this. So now this is it. That's it. This is the flounce. As you can see, it has formed very well. So if you're meant to measure the length that you need, you measure this place, not here, because this place will determine the length here. You measure it from here. It will determine the length of the flounce you want. So here is it on how to cut a flounce. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you.